The pilot hole drilling for third pressure shaft of 884 megawatt Suki Kinari Hydropower Project has been started successfully. This is another iconic note that took only 5 days from the start of the installation of the reverse drill rig. On 15 April, the world's deepest pressure shaft group officially entered into the excavation construction stage. Global hydropower engineering. There are only a few shafts with a depth of more than 500 meters. The 643-meter pressure shaft group of SK Hydropower Project will break the record of world's deepest pressure shaft having depth of 544 meters at the Sinclair Hydroelectric Project in Ecuador. The pressure shaft group is located between the valve chamber for inlet valve and underground powerhouse cavern. The twin Penstocks group consist of 6 pressure shafts and 8 horizontal pressure tunnels. The Penstocks accessed by 3 adits. The 4 pressure tunnel section contains pressure bifurcated pipe sections. The pressure shaft has a circular section. The twin Penstocks passes through 2 large faults F18 and F25-1. Considering the geological conditions, the excavation diameter is 4.7 meters to 5.1 meters, and the horizontal section is a horseshoe-shaped. The cross-sectional area is 27 square meters. The vertical shaft section is arranged in 3 steps, with a total depth of 643 meters. The flat tunnel section is divided into 4 sections, of which the 4th flat tunnel section is set with The excavation of pressure shaft is divided into 3 steps. Primarily, the pilot hole with diameter of 240 mm will be drilled. Secondly, the pilot hole enlarged by 1.4 meter reamer bit from bottom to top. In the end, the final excavation diameter will be achieved through drill and blast method. Initially, the low drilling speed, reduced axial pressure and intermittent propulsion shall be adopted for controlling the verticality of pilot hole. A minor negligence can lead to deviate the pilot hole, resultant valuable time loss and money. The deviation margin is very narrow, 0.5 ensured by supporting rod and connecting stabilizer. In the beginning, the stabilizer will be connected after 7 to 8 meters away from the preceding stabilizer. Later on, with the increase of depth, the stabilizer will be installed after every 10 to 15 meters. The circulation of drilling fluid is constantly ensured. The slag collected near the orifice timely to ensure smooth working. During the whole process of drilling pilot hole, the continuous supply of power and water is key factor. The interruption of supply in halfway can lead to sticking and burying drills, rods and other malignant accidents. Completion of pilot hole, the tricon bit shall be removed from the lower horizontal section of penstock. The reaiming bit, having diameter of 1.4 meter, shall be connected for enlarging the pilot hole through reaiming process, bottom to top. So stay tuned for more future exciting episodes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook, Instagram pages for more updates about hydropower projects.